In the picture, you see what you get when you purchase a spinning wheel called Babe's Liten Spindle Charkha wheel. Liten Spindle in Swedish is little spider, and you can look for babesfibergarden.com to buy them. It's a wonderful little wheel, and yet it doesn't come with any directions. So I thought I'd do just a very quick video on how to put it together. You get a spindle. Now, Niels, N-I-L-S, who makes these, who invented them, this is a wheelchair wheel. These are PVC pipes. This is an inexpensive way to have a wonderful little spinning wheel, a Charkha. It comes apart like this and fits in a box, so it's storable. You get a spindle with different size whorls that are actually all attached. So I'll show you in a second how you can change the ratio of your spinning just by moving the belt on the different areas of the whorl. And then in my hand was also a belt. This is the wheel. It comes attached this way, and you'll have this piece swinging. So it's very easy to put together. You just have to picture a rectangle. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 pieces of PVC pipe that go together like that with a rectangle. This is where the spindle is going to go. And then the wheel post goes in this end. Now, it's all very loose until you put the belt on. So now let's bring this over this way. And on, I don't know if that moved out of the view. On this end, let me just take that off of there for a second. Once you get it together like that, this is how your spindle fits on here. Here's the other end of the post, and the spindle goes in the hole on the back post and then slides into the front post. And yet when you do that, you have the belt on it. And that creates the tension between the wheel and the spindle that keeps the whole thing together. So the easiest way to do this, this is a flexible plastic wheel belt. Put it on the wheel first. And then just have it anywhere on the spindle. And there you go. And that is put together. And I think you can see the whole thing in the view. Now, the only drawback I have seen with this wheel is that the belt does that. It moves a little bit. And depending on what whorl you have the belt on, you might get the wheel shifting a little bit. But once you use this for a while, you get used to exactly how it works. Weighs maybe 2 pounds. The pieces would fit in a small backpack or a bag. You can spin anywhere. The Babe's Liten Spindle Charkha.